All right. Today, we're talking about Cheez-Its. Homemade. Little crackers. She cut these out with a saved yeast bottle. I don't know about you, but I saved my yeast jars. They're delightful jars. They're dark. Yes, amber. You know. And, yeah. So, what's in these? Flour. Can you tell me the recipe?
Flour, butter.
Flour, butter.
And a little bit of milk.
No baking soda or nothing?
And, I believe, yeah, they have baking powder.
Baking powder.
I'm trying to remember it off the top of my head. It's hard.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Anyway, and cheddar cheese. Or whatever cheese you got.
Yeah, it's cheddar, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
And that's it.
That's it. So we're going to bake these up and see. She didn't want to roll them out. And I told her, man, you got to get over that. Because you just got to. I had to. You don't got to learn. She got them real thin. We'll see how they turn out. So in this cookbook, which is very old, my old guitar player TJ gave me this. We were good friends since high school. Shaker cooking. Okay. And then here we go. This is the recipe. She was right. A cup of all-purpose flour. Sorry, I was gardening. And by the way, I am not doing anything with cooking. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then there's the butter, and then there's the milk. You do your dry ingredients. You cut in the butter like a biscuit. Then you add your milk. It's a lot like a biscuit. She adds the cheese. So, not much. You know, you don't want to overdo it if you're adding something to a recipe. We have made these before. And they turn out tasty. Yeah. Oh yeah, boiled and cooked prunes. I was so confused. They said a biscuit cutter, but you know, a jar works. So you bake at 400. I was right about that. 4 to 6 minutes. Split the hot crackers with a knife. Because we know these puff up a little, and the recipe itself says when you have your hot cracker, make a slit with your knife, you know. We went ahead and used our bigger meat fork and made a little, oh, I gotta do that one. See, she sprung that one on me. Yeah, okay, see. One of these things is not like the other. So even with the forking, some of them did puff up. Ah, be quiet. So that's why the recipe says to cut them in half. But we kind of like them like this. So there's our Cheez-Its, guys. Once they cool, they get hard. Promise. Peace, guys.